Hello, welcome to how to grow tomato plants from a cutting. The first step is to take a cutting from a plant that is already growing. Gourd and tomato plants have side shoots that grow between the leaf and the main stem. It is one of these side shoots that I'm going to grow a new plant. Cut the shoot at the base at its joint with the main stem. Step 2. Cut away the lower leaves to leave about 3 to 4 inches of stem. Step 3. Place the stem in a jar of water, but make sure the level of the water doesn't cover the leaves, it only covers the stem. If you wish, you can place more than one cutting in the water. Here I'm placing 6. Now place the jar in a warm, bright place, but not in direct sunlight. Step 4. After about a week, roots will start to grow from the side of the stem. Don't remove the cuttings from the water at this stage. Leave them for another week to allow the roots to develop further. Step 5. Transfer the cutting into a plant pot. Remove the cutting from the water jar. You can see here that each of my cuttings has now got a healthy set of roots. Take a plant pot that's deep enough to cover the root system, and then add a paper towel at the bottom to stop the soil washing through the drainage holes. Next, add a little compost at the base of the pot. Now carefully add the cutting and fill around the roots with more compost while holding the cutting upright. Finally, water the cutting into place. And that's it. You now have a new tomato plant. This one's even got flowers on it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's more information on my website. Thank you and goodbye.